Anytime now. Way they go. Morning. Nasser, fast to begin by the rally's treasure hunter. Alongside his mother of honor under, father outside his sharp cookie. Gold money alongside. And rounding the far turn, morning. Nasser by about 5 lengths, followed by Treasure Hunter, Mother of Honor alongside his Gold Money, and Escape Artist, Sharp Cookie in the middle. As they race the final corner, Morning Nasser by about 5 lengths. Treasure Hunter is running in second. Mother of Honor, Donori inside his entry number 9, Escape Artist, and nearing the finish line, better go down and collect. Or is in the bag for Morning Nasser. Second, Treasure Hunter, Mother of Honor, Gold Money, close for 5th and 6th position. Dragon May and Sharp Cookie.